Quick, check that out. I know this ain't what you come to see, but we picked up 2 of these today. Holy cow, for 150 bucks. Video of that incoming, but not today. Let's get to what you come for. Well, my stripe kit finally showed up. Today is Tuesday the 7th. In this listing, it said it came with both the black and the white decals, but guess what? Just the black showed up. If it had just been the whites, oh my God, I'd have been screwed. But anyway, so what I did not know is that the side stripes, obviously they're all one piece, but the door handles are also in that decal on both sides. But it's going to make it a little tedious, but we'll get them on there. And we'll pick this up when we start laying them down. So I had a mishap, and I had taken video of putting these decals on this truck. And somewhere in the middle of the night, forced reset or update on this phone, I've lost some of that video, but I've got it here, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's not finished yet. I still got some things to do, but we're getting real close. But this is where we're at so far. Decal kit went on there just about perfect. And so now, only thing I've got to do is tint the windows and start laying in the LEDs, getting those all wired up, and still need to do something about the shocks. It still sits a little bit too high for my liking. Like the tires, don't know if I'm going to use them or not, because once I drop it a little bit, I just don't want them to be overbearing, you know, way too big or look too big for what it is. But for right now, it looks great. Again, the lighting doesn't do any justice to the paint. The paint looks amazing to me. Decals for the windows turned out like I wanted them to. I just need to, you know, to put the window tint on those. But the decal kit that I ordered laid down and just looks phenomenal. Now I did get the sliders put back on. Obviously I have the fender flares on it, and I put the grill and the front bumper on it for now. I don't know that I'm going to run that front bumper, but just to kind of tidy it up on the front end. But so far so good. Now I'm going to play with the radius here in this. I've never been a fan of that radius. It just kind of looks weird, so I'm going to try to straighten it out a little bit to, you know, to kind of follow the rears, and that should be awesome. Should look great. Let's see, then it's just like I said, the LEDs and pretty much buttoning it up and sending it back up on shelf. So let me get it outside in some natural sunlight, and we'll see what this thing looks like. All right, hope I can't tell if my shadow is in it or not, but there it is. I think it's turning out really good. It's gonna be different. Still, again, it's got the Fusion 1800 in it, and let's see, these Proline tires, these rims, I couldn't tell you who they're made by. They came off Amazon. If anybody wants a link, let me know, but I will keep you guys posted. Not much more to go now, just LEDs and tightening up. All right, thanks for looking. Catch you guys later.